Ever since I was a kid, birds scare the bejeepers out of me.
At Universal City in California, director Alfred Hitchcock and Tippi Hedren.
And I blame it on Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. On this film trip, I go to the birds, literally. I travel to the coastal town of Bodega Bay, California, the setting for Alfred Hitchcock's 1963 film. I fly north on a windswept highway.
All right, here he comes. He's wrecking the illusion that I'm floating completely out in the middle of nowhere.
Attack the bay with my new friend, Surfer Bob. And hopefully bridge the gap between children and fear. Which will take a bit of work, seeing as I have my own issues.
Whose idea was it for the convertible?
With those feathered freaks.